Yo, what is up everybody? We're back with another video. If you're here again, then that means something else has to be changed. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the rear brake calipers. We're gonna replace those, gonna add some new brake discs, and also new brake hoses gonna go in, and some new brake pads. So as you can see here, this is all rusted out. This brake caliper is not even good no more. You can see how, let's see if we can, you can see how all of it's just corroded in there. That brake pad, it's not good no more. So all this got to be changed out. Before I forget to tell you guys, you're gonna have to use a 17mm nut to take off that caliper, which is in the back. Here, you can see here's one hole down here. Here's the second hole up here. So that's where both of your screws will be located at. Here's this little, what you call it, like little nipple looking thing that goes inside that brake hose. So that also comes out with a little clip that was on there. There's a little clip, that's how it looks like. Okay, so when you're done taking that brake caliper off, you're gonna go ahead and take this brake rotor off. I did give it like a couple bangs on the side over here. That way you don't mess up anything on this side. Because it's an old part, it is really rusty. And if you take a look here, you're gonna see that it exposes these brakes are your emergency brakes, or as Nissan created this little nifty thing here that you can also use it as some drum, just in case anything happens. Now what we're gonna do is put on that new brake rotor, the calipers, some brakes, and some new brake fluid, and it should be ready to go again. I can't forget those. Right guys, look what we got. Yeah baby, got some new brake rotors, both sides. On with the new one. Voila. Just like that. We have our brake caliper over here. Brand new. We're gonna throw that on. And now that we have this brake caliper in, as I was talking about, that's where you're gonna put in one of the little bolts. One of these here. Put one over there. Then you're gonna come right on here. You're pulling the legs right over there. Hey buddy. Alright, now we're off to the other side. Alright, same goes for this one. We're gonna have to bang it out a little bit, like I said, here in the back a bit. Give a couple of those, and it'll slide right out. Throw that away. And we got our new one. We'll just open this bad boy up. This caliper, like I said, on the other side, do the same thing, and that'll be all good. So there you have it, and I hope y'all. So there you have it, guys. So I hope you guys learned a little bit something. I tried my very best to explain as best as I could. And sorry if I left out some parts. I did try to focus on more like getting them together and stuff like that. But more further on, the more videos that I make, I do want to get more in depth with explanations for you guys. So hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content, give sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.